Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suranshi and my today's topic name is Integumentary System. It refers to skin and its accessory structure of skin, and it is the largest organ in a human body and it protects the form of physical barriers. Skin. It composed of three layers: outer epidermis, middle dermis, and the inner subcutaneous layer. The outer epidermis, it is the outermost layer and it provides the waterproof barriers, and it is responsible over the skin tone and prevent excessive water loss from the body. It is an avascular and made up of the 4 to 5 layers of epithelial cells depending on its location of the body. And the outermost outer epidermis, it is made up of stratified squamous epithelium. The middle dermis, it is made up of fibrous connective tissue, and in that it provides the strength and elasticity to the skin, and contain nerve and sensory receptors, and contain the blood and lymph vessels that helps to regulating the body temperature among the other things. And it contains the other structures such as hair follicles and the sweat gland. The third part is the inner subcutaneous layer, that is also known as hypodermis, and it is made up of adipose tissue and loose connective tissues, and it attaches the skin to other structure below it, such as muscles and bones, and act as a insulator, preventing your blood from getting too warm or too cold. And shock absorber, the stored fat around your muscles and bones, protect them trauma injuries. Is accessory organ. There are 4 parts: hair, sebaceous gland, sweat gland, and nails. Hairs is a dead and cartilaginous filament growing out the epidermis. And then second, subcutaneous gland. It is the type of oil gland and that is found all over the body and helps to lubricate and waterproof skin and hairs. Third is sweat gland, and its sweat, there are including amino acid, urea, and salt, and it produces sweat to cool the body and develop from the epidermal projection into the dermis. Then fourth is nails, and it is a specialized structure of the epidermis that is found in tip of the fingers. Then function of skin. It maintains the homeostasis, means regulate the body temperature. Second is sensation, sense of heat, cold, touch, pain, and the pressure. Then vitamin D synthesis and excretion and protection also. And there are 3 factors: chemical factor, physical factor, and biological factors. In chemical factor, sebum is slightly acidic and reducing the bacterial growth on the skin surface, and sweet remove most bacteria on the skin surface. And in physical factor, they are involving the keratinized cell, and in the epidermis provide a physical barrier. In biological factor, WBCs such as the macrophages destroy the invading the bacteria and other foreign substance. Thank you everyone.